Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. And we are also open for our live online classes. Right now, we are also open for the recorded sessions of few courses like SketchUp, Tekla Structural Designer, and STAAD. So if you want to know the details, you can find a link in the description, and following that link, you can go to the Google form where you can register yourself. Now let's come to today's video. So, I have started a series on SketchUp in which I will be guiding you through the various tools of SketchUp. Now, what are we going to learn today? Today we will learn the paint tool. So I will just share my screen with you and we can start. So in the last video I have explained you about the push-pull tool, but in that video I have not applied these materials on this model. So today I will show you how you can apply materials and colors to any object. So that can be done using this paint bucket tool. In simple language, we also call it paint tool. Now, I will just make a simple model. So for that, I will draw a rectangle, reverse its face, then using my push-pull tool, I drag it and make it an object. So now it's time to use the paint tool. So for that, we have various options. Like over here, you can see we have a color named. So here you can find many decent colors and you can use this for your model. So let's say I will choose this one. Now I want to apply this color to this object. So all I have to do is to just select this color, and using the paint tool, I can color my object from all the directions. Similarly, there are many things over here like asphalt and concrete. So over here, you can find a material for the concrete. So in this material box, like I will show you, over here you can see it is material. In this material box, you can find many things like it is for the road. Now let's try it for a different thing, like let's apply the carpets. So all you have to do is to draw a plane, and from then you can just choose a carpet and you can apply it over here. Similarly, if you want to make it a metal, then you can choose a metal and apply it. But this is not all. You can also scale this, and for that all I have to do is to go in edit, and instead of 4 I will use 16 bit, and you can see it is perfectly visible to us now. So you can always scale the texture. Now let's explore a few more options. Like if you want to make it a glass, so what will you do? You have to go to glass and mirrors, and there you can choose for the glass and choose the surface, and you can see here I have a surface, but this has been converted into a glass. Similarly, if you will just click on this one, then this will make it transparent and you can see through it. I will choose another glass. So this was a simple way of using paint tool, using which you can apply as many materials as you need in your model. So friends, what have you learned today? Today you have learned how to use the paint tool and how to scale the texture. So if you want to learn any particular tool in a SketchUp, you can write your comment in the comment section and I will make a video on that. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. That was all for today. Thank you and a very happy new year.